Hey everyone, this is Danny from creatingawebstore.com, and today I'm going to show you how to install the Magento shopping cart onto your GoDaddy web hosting account. So let's start by going to magentocommerce.com. We're basically going to be installing the Community Edition, which is free. So Product Editions, Community Edition. Download now. You're going to be asked to create a username and password. I already have one, so I'm just going to log in. We're going to be downloading the tar.gz file, which is an archived file. This is more convenient than uploading one that's already unarchived. For example, a folder, because it takes a lot longer to upload, and since GoDaddy has a built-in feature where you can unarchive files automatically, this is a lot more convenient. So if, for example, here I'm on a Mac computer. If you're on a Windows computer, I don't know if it basically unarchives files automatically, but with my computer I basically had to set up Safari so that it doesn't unarchive files. Basically, right here in general, you untick Open Save Files after downloading, which basically keeps the folder from the file from being unarchived. So let's download the file now. Now, while this file downloads, we'll also need an FTP client, because if you're going to try to upload the file through GoDaddy's FTP client, built-in client, or whatever you want to call it, it basically times out since the file is so large.